Let's cut across to a press conference being addressed by BJP leaders. Remember, today the papers of Pranab Mukherjee nomination was accepted after scrutiny. This is the BJP's reaction to it.
Illegal activities. Therefore, Shri P.A. Sangma, through his authorized representative, Shri Satpal Jain, who is a senior leader of Bharatiya Janata Party, former MP, yesterday has raised an objection, and today he argued the case about this fabrication, and we will be pursuing this matter. I want to add one more thing only. The resignation letter which has been produced by Shri Pranab Mukherjee, which is dated on 20th, which has been sent on 20th by then Finance Minister Pranab Mukherjee to the President of the Institutes, M.G.K. Menon, who is an eminent personality, and accepted on that day only, and the same copy has been sent back to Shri Pranab Mukherjee, raises huge questions of public morality and probity in public life. And it very clearly indicates the resignation letter is a fabricated one. We want to say only this much, that Shri M.G.K. Menon, being an eminent personality, he has to clarify to the country and to the people of India whether it is his genuine signature, whether he received the letter of Shri Pranab Mukherjee and he has accepted on the same day, and if it is not his genuine signature, then what is the mystery about this? Now, the onus is not only on Shri Pranab Mukherjee, the onus of this entire illegal act is also on an eminent personality like M.G.K. Menon. And I request my dear colleague, Shri Satpal Jain ji, to go into the details and nitty-gritties of the entire case and explain everything to you. Satpal ji.
Oh, sorry. Friends, you must have got a copy of the so-called reply. Okay, you will get it. Filed by Shri Pranab Mukherjee under his own signatures. At the outset, I will like to show you which the objection was taken before the returning officer also. The signatures of Shri Pranab Mukherjee on the reply do not tally with the signatures of Shri Pranab Mukherjee on the so-called resignation letter. You will get a copy of the same, but to the naked eye, these are his signatures on the so-called resignation letter. You will get a copy just now, and you see his signatures on the reply. To the naked eye, they are different. I raised this objection. I asked the returning officer to ask them to clarify as to why these signatures are different. The only explanation given by them was that a person can sign in a number of ways, but that's the different thing. The objection to the candidature of Shri Pranab Mukherjee was and is that he is holding the office of the chairman of the Indian Statistical Institute, Calcutta, since 2006, and he was elected by the governing body of the council. In the reply that has been filed, they have not disputed all those facts, that he was the chairman, he was elected by the council in 2006. All those facts have not been disputed.